Hey there, it's Melissa. I am here with the Aldi Find sneak peek for the week of April 23rd through April 29th. As you know, Aldi's made some changes to the way that we see stuff in advance now online, so I just try to organize it all to make it a little bit easier to see everything that we're going to have. We are going to have some great stuff, a lot of gardening again, and some outdoor stuff that you're going to love. Let's start with these cute little toddler sandals. They are adorable. We've got the 2-pack on the soft bras. Those are the different color combos. We've got some umbrellas. The one with the lemons is so cute. We've got some sandals, genuine leather sandals for the ladies. We've got these sleep shirts. These look super comfy. The robe, that also looks super comfy. These, what do we have? Some bug adventure stuff for the kids. The Lego Botanicals. I absolutely love these. I wish they had them when my boys were younger. We have the bubble mower and the bubble leaf blower. The Little Town Nest Swing. Those are really cool. We have the washable rugs, the 5x7 washable rugs. These are the absolute best. These are propagation vases, black and brass to pick from. We have this satin gift set. So a little hair tie in there, I guess a sleep mask. We have some 2-wick candles. There's the different scent combos, and we have some diffusers also with some really yummy sounding scent combinations. We have this electric wine aerator and drink dispenser. We have some really cool wine glasses. These are acrylic, so 2 different styles, and the cocktail shaker, sorry. We have some cocktail gadgets. There's some really cool stuff in there. We've got also some kitchen appliance gadgets. That garlic dicer is awesome. I use one of those. I love it. We have this beautiful dinnerware, the salsa bowls, that's all gorgeous. The hanging baskets with the replacement for it as well. We've got some basket steaks. Some decorative glass tables. So one's hummingbird, the middle one is black, the end one they're calling gray. It looks to have a pattern. We have some garden fence panels. Some hummingbird feeders. Pick the red. They like red better. We've got the plant tower. That's pretty cool looking. Those work awesome. We've got this really pretty rattan chair with the ottoman. That is beautiful. That's a great price. We have some garden figurines. These are all solar. We have the nesting flower steps. 2 different styles to pick from. The trowel planters, those are so beautiful. We have this wooden planter with the trellis. I have my eye on this. I may have to get 1 or 2 of those. We have some solar lanterns. Those are all really cool looking. Some bushes, so blackberry, blueberry, and raspberry bushes. I have always heard good things about people who have bought this stuff. We've got grapes. I'm really looking forward to doing some grapes this year too. Potting mix. Cherry tree, pink tree, and birch tree. So really, everybody's always said good things about the hydrangeas, etc. Good luck with those. We have some 10-inch hanging baskets. Here we go. There's some hydrangeas. Go for it. People never complain about the plants they get. We have some spring perennials. There's some beautiful ones to pick from. We got a facial trimmer, wet dry shaver, and the ladies shave and trim system. Flat iron, curling iron, and the curling brush. Those are awesome prices. We have a lip mask in both berry and vanilla. We have these mini garden crafts. How cute are those? So unicorn, whatever, I can't pronounce that. We have some more Mother's Day cards. These stone craft kits, these are adorable. We got some balls, some volleyballs, and soccer balls and basketballs. This giant 4-in-a-row game. We have the pop-up soccer goal, the regular soccer goal, and the pickleball set. These are really cute, these totes. I love these. We've got these cosmetic bags, also beautiful colors on those. And that's everything. Let me know what you're most excited for. Give me all the likes, love, whatever, comments, whatever you can. I appreciate it. It definitely helps more people see it, and I can use help with that. My videos have been a little hidden, so anything you can do, I appreciate it. I will see you Wednesday with the in-store video of all these items. Have a great week.